Hello. For today, I'm going to be teaching 16th century hair taping. Now, I've done this on other people, so in this video, you'll see what the goal is in the end, and then I'm going to try it on myself and see if I can do it as well as I can on other people. Now, first you need some supplies. You could get the silky ribbon, but I would advise finding a ribbon that has some texture to it. It could be shiny, if that's your preference. This is kind of a gold shiny color. Or you can even get creative, and this is actually bias tape. But you just need something that's not silky. You want something that's got, I'd say, a little bit of grip to it, because you don't want it sliding through your hair. Now, the other thing you need is a needle. This one is actually a bent packaging needle. You just need something large that you can thread your ribbon through your eye and then be able to put easily through your hair. Now, let's get started. Now, to do a simple braid, you want to gather up all of the hair and divide it into thirds. So I've got 1/3 of the hair in my left hand, and now I've divided the hair in my right hand into 2. I've got my fingers sticking in the middle. So from here, I'm going to take the middle strand and twist it underneath into my left hand. And now I'm going to take the strand that was on the left and twist it underneath on the right. Now the strand that's in my left hand is going to go up and over, while the strand that was in my right hand goes underneath. And the strand in the right hand goes underneath, the left goes over top, and now the one that was in the left goes underneath, right goes on top. And then you just continue until you've got just a little bit of hair left, and it makes it more difficult to braid. And then just grab a hair tie or a ribbon and then tie it off. Okay, first you want to part the hair down the middle. And you want your ribbon ready. Now once you have half of the hair in your hand, you'll want to gather it right behind the ear and put your ribbon in with the hair and then split it into 3 to braid your hair, with the ribbon being braided into one of the strands for the braid. And now once I get near the bottom, I'm going to take the ribbon, wrap it around, and pull it through to tie a knot in the hair at the end of the braid. And you want to make sure to pull it nice and tight. And now I'm going to do the same thing with this side. I'm going to gather up the hair right behind the ear. And put the ribbon in with the hair. Divide the hair up into 3 strands. And begin braiding. Now from here, you're going to take the one braid and go up and over. And then this braid is also going to go up and over. And now you'll want to take your needle and start threading the ribbon into the hair. And with this, I'm wrapping it around both braids as I'm pulling it tight. So the needle goes down in through the hair, through both braids, and out. And if you notice, I'm going front to back. Now I've got my ribbon threaded, and I'm going to tie in the braids in over here. So I'm going front to back. And now that I've got my ends tied up, I'm now going to tie up the ends of the ribbon. And now I'm going to put a caul on top of the braid. Okay, so first with my hair, as you can see, I normally keep it parted somewhat on the left. So I'm going to first part my hair in the middle. So that way my hair is split half on the left and half on the right. Okay, so first I'm going to comb my hair over. And put half of the ribbon into the braid. And as you can see, I'm gathering the hair right behind my ear. And now I'm going to braid my hair. And now I'm going to braid this side. And now I'm going to take this braid and go up and over. And then the same with this braid, up and over. So first I'm going to pull it across, and now I'm going to start on this side. And I'm going to be going front to back, first through my hair, and then through the first braid and then the second braid. Okay, now that I've got the end of that ribbon there, I'm going to leave that there and then take the other end. And I'm trying to take the ribbon and wrap up that loose end over there. And now over here, I'm going to do the same thing. Because actually if I flip around, I can feel I've got a tail right here. So I'm going to use the ribbon to kind of tack that down. Okay, now that I've got my two ends, I'm going to tie them off. And it's not pretty, but it gets the hair up and out of the way. Time for the caul. And now my hair is done and ready for the day. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know and subscribe.